Welcome back. Today I would like to share you how you can jailbreak iOS 13.6 on your iPhone, iPod or iPad. It is the latest version from Apple. This one it is an alternative way. And one more thing I would like to thank to all of you who support me since the beginning of the channel. And I hope you don't mind my accents. Now we're gonna go to Windows, but you need to download some files that you need in order to run Checkran. So you're gonna go to your browser and you're gonna go to this link. And I also include this link in my video description, so you can download Bootran, which allow you to run Checkran on your Windows, and you can download either 64-bit or 32-bit. So if you don't know whether you are running on 32-bit or 64-bit Windows, you can just go back. Then you're gonna find this PC and right click on it and click on property. Then you need to find system type, and you can see I have 64-bit system, so I'm gonna download 64 bits. So we can just go back to the browser and we're gonna download the 64-bit here, the 64-bit ones. And if you have 32-bit, download the 32-bit one. And then you're gonna need this software to create a bootable USB. So you're gonna go back to this link. And the software is completely free, don't need to worry about it. And after you have downloaded, install, and then we're gonna go back to, and then you're gonna need the USB, and you need to have at least 4GB of USB. And if the 4GB of USB doesn't work, you can use the 8GB one, and for me it is 16GB, so it is very enough. So we're gonna plug in. Now after you have plugged in, you need to launch the software that you have just installed into your PC. So you're gonna click on open and run it as administrator, and then click on yes. And you're gonna see this page pop up, and you can select your USB one, and then you're gonna pick the ISO file, click on select, and you need to browse and go into the file that you have just downloaded. And for me it's gonna be here, so I can just double click on it, and then you can just finally click on start. And for me I have already done it, so I don't need to do it one more time, so I'm gonna close it. And then what you need to do, reboot your window and go to BIOS. So you're gonna right click on it, then you need to make sure you restart. Now as soon as your PC is reboot and turn to black screen, you can just hit on escape key to go to BIOS. And if you have different PC, it's gonna use different key, so make sure you figure it out. And now you're gonna go to F9 to go to boot device option. So for my PC I can just press on F9, and my USB is connected to my PC. And you can see here, you can select on your USB hard drive, hit on enter. And then you're gonna go to USB save, hit on enter one more time. Now you're gonna wait for the process to finish. Then for this step, you're gonna see the login. You can type ANON, hit on enter. And for the passcode, you can type VOID LINUX. And you don't see nothing appear, but don't worry about it. Just hit on enter one more time. And then you're gonna type sudo space checkran, hit on enter. And now you can see Checkran is pop up, and you can see your phone is recognized, but it's gonna warning you, so you cannot hit on start, but you need to go to option, and then you can allow untrusted version. And now you're gonna go back. And now to make your iPhone able to recognize by Checkran, you can unplug it and turn off your phone first. And to get successfully jailbreak, make sure you turn off the passcode too. And my phone has already turned off the passcode, and I can just slide to power off and make sure your phone is completely turned off. And now you can hold on the home button and now plug in again. Then you can just manually go to recovery mode. And if you have the iPhone 8, I will include how to put into recovery mode just like that. Now you're gonna be able to start, hit on start. And then you have some instruction here for the iPhone SE like me. You can hold on the home button and the power button at the same time. Then you're gonna release the power button, but keep holding the home button for 5 seconds. Now we're gonna start. release the power button but keep holding the home button. And you're gonna see DFU mode is successfully. You can release the home button now, and it is booting. It is a good sign. Now you're gonna see Checkra logo right here, so it is a good sign. And then you're gonna see it say all done, and on your phone it asks you to trust. Hit on trust, and make sure you have Wi-Fi connected to your phone too, otherwise you cannot install Cydia. So make sure your Wi-Fi is connected. Now you're gonna see Checkra icon right here. Open it. Then you can able to install Cydia. Click on install Cydia, and as I told you, make sure you turn off your iPhone passcode, otherwise it's gonna give you an error. You can put back the passcode after you jailbreak your phone. You can add the passcode again, so it doesn't matter. And now it's gonna kick you back to your home screen, and you can see Cydia here, and Cydia is fully working for my device. If you see right here, I have iOS 13.6. Finally, thanks for watching. I hope you like this video, and then I will catch you guys in the next one.